What's your name, guy?
Firewall. Yeah, the firewalls are pretty. Okay, get over in the back. Slow down. Go slow. You look okay? I lost you. Can't see you. He's your buddy.
We're good. We're good. I'll help you out. We'll help each other.
Hello.
Oh, are you filming?
Yes.
All right. What's going on, dude?
Tell me something about your truck, Dave.
Well, it's a 65 C10. It's got a small block 427 with a 671 blower. It's got 6 stronger carbs, a turbo 400, and it's noisy. That's the part you like about it, right, bud?
It's cool.
You like it? What do you think we start it up? You want to start it up? All right. You want to start it up for me? You'll start it for me? All right, bud. We'll get your camera worked out and let's start it up.
Hey, let me video you. Here, how do I make it come on and off?
It's already on.
Turn it off right now. Here, we're going to do it right here.
Here, yeah, you got to have for your channel, man. You got to show you doing stuff, living your best life. This is all about.
Did you push it already?
Hop in there.
Yeah, we're recording, son.
Hop in there, bud. Let's make sure we got
Hold on, I'm going to go around to the other side.
Key goes in that way. Oh, other way. Yep, get that key in there. All right. Now we got to turn it just a little bit right there, and then we'll hold it there for a minute. Flip that. We got to wait a second for that one, and I'm going to do something here real quick. I'm going to make sure it starts.
You excited, eh? So you getting to start Mr. Dave's truck today?
Uh-huh.
That's right.
All right, buddy. Here, go ahead and turn that key. See what happens.
Now?
Turn it. Pretty cool, right?
What do you think, E?
Hey, buddy. Right?
What do you think, E?
That's
Big dog, buddy.
Hey, that's awesome, dude.
Hey, Easton, tell them where we're at today. Speak up, son.
C10 Nashville.
We're at the C10 Nationals. Where are we at? The Super Speedway in Nashville.
Uh-huh.
All right. Tell me you love Mr. Dave's truck.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. Thanks for checking my truck out and putting it on your page, bud.
You're welcome.